Hello, welcome back to my channel. Here is Saucy's Cuisine. If today your first time here, I give you a warmly welcome, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Guess what? Today you're going to learn how to make banana bread or banana cakes. So the ingredients that we'll be needing are, we have our salt flour, 4 eggs, icing sugar, essence, President French butter, baking powder and banana. I'm going to give you a brief history as to how banana bread or banana cake came into an existence. In the olden days, there were a lot of bananas and plantains. So it got to a time that people were just losing the bananas. So they decided to use some for cakes and other sweet things. So one woman got up in the 30s. She got up and decided to do something simple. So I'm going to sieve my sugar. So as I was saying, she decided to do something with her ripe bananas. So what came into her mind was a pancake. So after doing the pancake, she was like, oh, so why don't I bake it rather to see the outcome? Then she got the banana bread or the banana cakes. So you see, it's very simple. So that tells us that whenever you have something in your kitchen and you think it's waste, don't waste it or don't throw it away. Try and use it for something else, unless it can't be used anymore. So I'll sieve my sugar now, and I'll add my President French butter and cream it. So this is how you cream your sugar and your butter or margarine. So with the butter, you can use any type that you want. You can use any brand that you want. You can use margarine, but with this particular video, I'm going to use President French butter. So please stay with me, and hey, if you have any suggestion, any comments, anything, just leave it in the comments box, and I'm going to post all the details of the ingredients that I used, including the measurements, in the description section. So you can go there and check the measurements out, and if you didn't get any of the ingredients, you can go there and check it out as well. So I'm done. So my butter has the temperature of the room. It doesn't have to be too hard or too soft. So this is my butter. Yeah. So I'm going to cream it. So as you cream, you make sure that the rest of the butter and the sugar that is around the bowl are scooped back inside the bowl. So I'm creaming it for 10 minutes. You have to cream it so that it becomes fluffy. So this is my banana. I'm going to mash it. So I'm done with my banana. I'm going to add my eggs to my creamed butter and sugar. Add your eggs. You add your eggs bit by bit. So the last one will go in now. So now I have my eggs and my creamed butter and sugar. I'm going to add my flour to it. So this is the flour, and that one you have to add it to the mixture bit by bit. And don't forget, my flour is already sieved, so before you use it you have to sieve it like I did for the icing sugar. With the measurements, don't worry, I'll leave everything in the description box so you can go there and check out the measurements. I just want you to concentrate on the process. So with the mixture and the measurements, we get that one later in the description box. Okay, so at this point I think I'm done with the hand mixer. I'm going to use metal spoon for the rest of the process. So I'm done with the mixture. I'm going to add my banana to it, and since I'm using banana, I nearly forgot that I have some granules or peanuts here, so I'll add everything to the mixture and mix. Yes, you can choose to use chocolate or a bit of ginger to spice up your cake, but me, I'm using peanuts. Okay, so I don't want to over mix my cake, so this is my cake batter. So I'm going to transfer it into my 1 pound cake tin. So you have to grease your pan. This is the President cheese that I use. So you see, I'm using the cover to just grease my pan. So in my kitchen here, you don't waste anything. Share. You have to make sure that you use everything to the last drop. Okay, so you can see it's well greased. So I'm going to transfer the mixture into it. So you have to gently and carefully do it. Since I'm baking only 1 pound of my banana bread, I'm going to use the rest of the mixture for muffins. Okay, so I have my mini cake pans here, so I'll just put in my muffin paper. You can do as many as you want. So since I have only 6 pieces, I'll do only 6. Now I'm going to use my hands to scoop the mixture into it. My hands are well cleaned and it won't cause any problem. Okay, so here we go. So whilst I'm doing this, my oven is already heated. I preheated it to 160 degrees. With my cupcake paper, don't mind it. That's how it behaves sometimes. Okay, so I'm done. Okay, so I have my 1 pound cake here and my muffins, so it's ready. As I said, my oven is already preheated, so I'm just going to put it into the oven. So let's wait. Our cake is ready, our muffins too are ready. So we will allow it to cool for 10 minutes, then we transfer it into a plate or anything that you want to transfer it on. So it's 5 minutes now. I'm going to do the transfer. Wow, I have to carefully and gently do it. Other than that, you spoil everything. My plate was small, so I've changed it. Share. I want to be bosom. So let me take some slice and do the testing. Okay, let me take some slice and do the tasting myself. You can see your banana and your peanuts. See? Yes. Serving myself my delicious banana. Charlie, it is so nice. Huh? Everything is on point. Everything is on point, Charlie. Try this recipe. So these are beautiful muffins. There is a difference between muffins and cupcakes. Immediately you put icing on it, the name will change to cupcakes. And don't forget to like, share and leave a comment. Okay, so bye bye.